Welcome back to our BeIndian audit tool series number 2. In this video, we are going to see our first function, BeIndian audit about get info, which doesn't require any parameter. It's a very simple function which returns a multi-line text value with details about the DAX UDF library. Now let us go to Power BI and see how to use it. I go to Power BI where I have already created one sample table as I have mentioned in my previous video. If you want to know how to install this BeIndian audit tool DAX library, please see my previous video. I will give the link in the description. Now let us see how to use this first function. Please go to the table view. It is a measure which returns a multi-line text value. So I am creating a new measure where I am giving the name like this, about info is equal to, I am giving the name as about info is equal to, let us write this formula. If you just type about, you can see BeIndian audit about get info comes in the list. If you press tab, then it will be auto filled. And as you can see, we don't require any parameter. The open bracket, close bracket is also entered automatically. If I press enter, then the measure is created and you can see the format is text. How to visualize this? Let us go to report view. I am adding a card new and increasing the size of the card. Let us bring the about info into data. Now we can see it is a single line, but I've already mentioned you this particular function returns a multi-line text value. How to show multi-lines? Go to format and then call out values. We can see that the text wrapper is off. You just enable the text wrap on. Now you can see the multi-line text. But still our text is in a bigger font. Let us give the font size to 20. Once I have changed the font size to 20, now we can see the about it information. From now onwards, I am going to explain each and every function like this with proper example. So please be with me. Thank you, friends.